Back with another unboxing, and today it's the Porsche 956L of John Fitzpatrick Racing from the 1983 24-Hour of Le Mans. This car came in 5th place in the race overall in 1983, and although I did not watch the 1983 24-Hour of Le Mans race, the thing about this car that called out to me was the fact that it's in the Skoal Bandit colors, which is a brand that I remember from my youth, which is sad that a chewing tobacco brand would stick with me that well, but it is what it is. So here we're cutting open the box and we see we've got the green styrofoam peanuts. Not my favorite type of peanut, but glad to see them there. And this lovely deep green box. Let me get this out of here. We'll go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Don't tear the flap. Yes, success. And this was before I bought the gloves. I actually bought this car in the fall of 2019, filmed it, and forgot to ever record the audio. So we're just now getting to it. Popping this open, and this is the tail body panel section. I guess we'd call it the hood. Cutting the tape to get the rest of the car out. And this one I'm not going to unbolt from its base, so we're just going to have to look at it in the styrofoam. Sorry. Not sorry. Popping the lid off, and there is the beautifully detailed Porsche 956. With that Skoal Bandit livery on the front. Number 16 car. A little more detail here. Get in a little tighter, and as you can see in the back end of the car there, it's very well detailed. Intercoolers, turbocharger, oil sump, and intake plenums all clearly visible even at this distance. But let's hang on a second here and see if I can't zoom in some. Well, there we go. Nice and tight, and you can see everything there. The beautiful 935 type 6-cylinder turbocharged Porsche engine. Just a glorious piece of automobile, and I'm very happy to have it. Only 500 of these were made, and I'm very happy to have one, even though it cost me an arm and a leg, almost literally. That's it. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching Cocktails and Crankshafts. If you enjoy my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to hit the bell icon, and we'll see you soon with new content.